So you guys born weed? You drink liquor?
So why did you look at him every time he asked him?
You drink liquor? We're on squad. So there, with our little hills drive out today. We just reached dirt road. We're going to do a cook up, but fuck, everybody get too drunk last night. I don't want to stop my journey, so I'm doing it anyways, but we're going to go to the restaurant up there. Check it out, guys. I love Jamaica. I love Jamaica. You want coffee this? Or just plant? Oh yeah, coffee this, bro. Yeah. So you guys don't know, there with Chad Lucci from Chad Lucci Vlogs.
Yo, 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 what up, Top Lodge gang?
Make sure to check him out. I know most of you probably already subscribed to him because he's one of the up and coming big Jamaican YouTubers. There with Dre.
Go on,
Hello. Usually we're there with the friends and we all have the shotgun out and we're hunting, but today we have the cameras out. A different type of shooting today. Alright guys, so this, for those of you who don't know, this is the road we'll be taking to get to the mountain top. And when we're up on the top of the mountain, have a beer or two, you know, maybe one little thing, and have some food, you see me? How will we get there? Tiger power. Why? Because it's power for the journey ahead, you see me? Yo, are we country that we don't?
Bet we can reach up before the van.
You want the GoPro to vlog that?
We putting some steps in.
You want?
Pass.
I thought you were abandoning the mission.
Yo. Fuck a 4-wheel drive.
So you workout.
Fucks. We're just getting the workout in, guys.
I'm trying to hold you back. But we're on a big camera.
James ain't got shit on us.
A few moments later.
Alright, you win.
Man them boss. Guys, it was a valiant effort, but the man them can't do it. Uphill hard, eh?
Bust still. Bust still. What?
Yo, squad, walk on. So, you see me? There with Chad and Dre. We find out outside I keep again. So, place ram, bro. Fuck, crazy. So, we're gonna try some food and then we're gonna go do a little exploring and then I eat that for the day. You see me? Oh, them give you a number.
That's what it said on the menu. It said 4.
How much you get?
A nice 2.5. Or 1.5.
Guys, good food, but don't come here when it's wrong.
Come here doing workouts. Wait, bro. I'm gonna have to rate it up. I'm gonna rate this burger out of 10. Alright? Right?
It's just something, man. You can go on.
I taste cinnamon. You taste cinnamon?
Like a sweet barbecue.
Yeah.
Not ketchup.
What do you think of the burger?
It's about a 60.
What do you think?
Seven.
I think it's 7 to about 7.5. Yeah?
Being feeling generous, eh?
If we got the food on time and like it wasn't busy, I think it could be at 8. Like if Chad got his 4 strips of bacon, not 1.5. These are hot. But burger itself.
They get style points, presentation.
But my problem is the fries feel so thick. Like when you're chewing through them, and they're already not like super hot, so it makes it like worse. I feel like I'm almost eating a dumpling fry.
So food took a little long, but look, we're going to a dessert review.
A little is being a little too nice.
Don't know what I'm gonna do with this. Bamboo are you today? Okay.
You're not gonna try it with the sauce? Or with or without?
Alright.
Ready?
Get a close up.
Alright, dip it, guys.
Is that condensed milk and cinnamon?
Possibly.
That's what I know most people do. Is that chocolate chips? Oh, they went all out.
How much was that?
I didn't pay. Had a good day. I got sponsored, guys, today. It was a Chad Lucci sponsorship video. Check him out, like, share, and subscribe.
Wait, that was my ad slot. That's what I bread pudding bought. Hey!
Bread pudding, guys. Anyone else want one like that? Good food. Oh wait, don't subscribe. Just kidding.
Yo, the bread pudding bought me a 10-second ad slot. Good investment if you ask me.
Trust me, goes a long way.
With the way this channel's going, yeah, man. That's like buying Bitcoin in 1990, man.
Yo, can you imagine everybody who had a Bitcoin and sold it? Oh, like the guy who sold the Bitcoin for pizza. Like,
I wouldn't even be thinking about that. I'd be more stressed about the people who sold all their shares in like Apple and all that stuff when it hit like $10.
No, I want to use 10,000 Bitcoin to buy a pizza.
Yeah, I saw that video.
That was at the time. So if that reached now, 10.
And he would have had it long term, so he wouldn't have to pay the
big
the taxes on it. Man would have just cheated life.
Yeah. I think they said like, yeah, he's so big.
Did you hear that?
250 million. Oh yeah, number
They're
10.
just on order 10.
We were 8.
Yeah.
We were number 8.
Yeah, but we finished our meal and only 2 people got served. Well, one. At least done to order.
Well, he went up there and said, yo, what's the explanation? So I'm not asking for my food, what's the explanation? Because it's been an hour and 20 minutes. They don't say nothing now.
That 25 minutes, they go a long way. There we go.
Let him roll out now.
Yeah, because there's nobody at the line. So that they'll probably have a little bit more free time.
To make the food.
Yeah, not free time.
Alright. Anybody want some?
How good was it? If you rate that from a scale of 1 to 10.
Another 5.
Oh no. You see, if you said like an 8 or a 9, I would have been obliged to like
Get one?
no, not get one. Try like a piece of it.
Oh, yeah.
But
Really? So the burger, enjoy the burger more than that?
Yeah. Yo guys, wanna let you know actually, I've been seeing these around a lot. These are proper garbages. I think I want to get some. Like some heavy duty shit. Bro, it's been here a couple months. Jamaicans don't break it yet. And we break everything.
Look at this.
Going to the waterfall. We're told it's not worth it and it's disappointing.
Yeah.
So of course we have to do that and see for ourselves. Give you guys an honest opinion.
It probably is disappointing, but
Oh yeah, there's no way we would have walked through that.
I would have.
You won.
Bro, let's take off my socks and my shoes and so on. I'm mod this.
Man,
Yo.
them do it again before
Yeah.
the angle.
Yo, watch.
they're not working.
Let me tell you something. They're going to expect like a full video of them, and they're going to realize that's tiny. But see all this, we're missing all this good shit.
I definitely need a pickup for sure.
Yeah, so James, you're gonna walk through this too?
Now here's where I would have turned back.
You know,
First of all,
so far to turn back.
Nah, yeah, probably not. Bro, it's some fucking situation I put myself in walking, you know. And me and Roman go hunting, and I make us walk 12 miles. The man was so vexed at me. And this is nothing compared to, bro, I climb uphill on our fucking knees and elbows, you know.
Oh shit.
Me and him end up with about 200 ticks. Yeah, we're going squad. So we're there at the waterfall now. Where there? Yeah, I think these boys are gonna try to rob us, you know. That one right on. Man already tried to thief my girl. What's next? My wallet? What?
Yeah, I love how you took that step back.
Yeah man, them man they splash through in the boots. Try to wet up my Gucci Crocs, man.
Ja, det var nästan snyggt till er.
Yeah, I want
Man,
to
what the fuck is it?
record it just in case you know.
Bro, probably getting dropped still.
Yeah, that's
Jag
on
ger
this.
en rundown.
Nah, I'm too old for that now, bro. My knee will give out. What? See all this, guys? My shoelace on tight to good class.
Yo, you heard him on them wicked?
Oh.
Just say it's not slippery.
Bro,
Run me that SD
Bro.
card.
cannot
I got you, bro.
Cannot trust Bombo. Yo, when these youths go up, could probably just take off my clothes and wash my balls. What do you guys think? What you do over there? A picnic stream or a big man stream that?
So we got the waterfall 1, we got a waterfall 2. And we got James.
Yo,
I'm waiting on you to jump.
nothing on my clothes, bro, but like I made my own vlog footage if you guys go up. Don't, yeah, drink that. I'm doing it all for the vlog. Now it'll make your belly run, you know. Okay.
Yo, 2 days later you just have gastro.
Right on. You good?
Really? You don't say.
Alright, it's not that disappointing. I mean, if
No, it's definitely not as disappointing as described. I think it's actually kind of pretty.
it's not a bad view, but it's so cold, probably would have shriveled up your fuck. Can't find nothing. Oh, yo. That there look nice too.
You know what's so funny? I guarantee that people have come right here
Just the
and
fuck?
just piss.
Oh, yeah. Definitely, bro. I feel about that.
Think about it, if you were the only person here, would you not just pee right here?
Yeah, but you don't see it run well. It's a full stream.
It comes up high when it rains.
I think I want to come swimming in here one day. When all you fuckers aren't here. Probably go wash my balls in there. God. Mate. Guys, if you come here, be careful, it's slippery. Your fucking knees hurting. Oh my. I feel like I'm 35. Fuck me.
How old are you then?
Yeah, I'm young. 28. Pussy clad.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. Fucking knee hurt me, man.
No, why are you doing that shit?
My splash. Yeah, right on. Fuck. Yo, what pick up so and so? On mine? Lord.
Go fast.
What? What go on, yes, sir? Nice one.
Tiger power in its natural habitat.
I know that's how we come from.
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah, man, with our reverse. Yo!
Nice.
So you guys bun weed? You drink liquor?
So why did you look at him every time he asked him?
You drink liquor? Yo.
But yeah,
Tiger power.
yeah, actually was starting to.
Guys, this landslide has been cleared up. Thank you for all people who helped, but pre this pussy clot.
Damn, somebody dropped him.
Oh, wall this now. Yeah, man, I hope I don't. Yo, guys, imagine if this shit just started tumbling down. That'd be kind of sick. Dre with the cinematic, I'd be running like, that'd be sick.
And then we just put captured an iPhone.
Bro, holy fuck.
To Apple before we posted, we're like, yo, we just want 10 iPhones and it's yours.
Just sell them back.
Bro, see all this shit?
I feel it in my stomach and I didn't even fall.
This is crazy, guys. I love this shit. Walk-on squad, thanks for watching the video. Very happy to have you guys here. Before you go, please just remember to like and subscribe. It'll mean the world to us. Thank you. See you soon.